Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of travel drones, specifically tailored for beginners. Choosing the right drone can be overwhelming, especially with so many options on the market. Fear not. We've carefully selected the 7 best travel drones that offer great performance, user-friendly features, and portability, ensuring you can capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a scenic hike, these drones will elevate your adventures. Let's get started. Number 1. Ruko F11 PRO Drone, an impressive choice for budding drone enthusiasts. This drone boasts a sleek, compact design that makes it easy to transport. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, it's lightweight yet sturdy with a robust build that can withstand minor bumps and scrapes during your travels. The foldable design adds to its portability, allowing it to easily fit into your backpack or travel bag. In terms of quality, the Ruko F11 PRO shines with its stunning 4K UHD camera, delivering crystal clear images and videos. The camera is mounted on a 2-axis gimbal, ensuring stable footage even in windy conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may struggle with shaky hands. Additionally, the drone's 120 degrees wide-angle lens allows you to capture expansive landscapes, making it perfect for those picturesque outdoor shots. Usability is a key factor for beginner drones, and the Ruko F11 PRO does not disappoint. It features an intuitive app that provides a user-friendly interface for flight controls and camera settings.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. DJI Mini 2 Southeast Fly More Combo, a fantastic option that combines performance and portability. Weighing only 249 grams, this drone is incredibly lightweight, making it one of the most travel-friendly models available. The compact, foldable design allows for easy packing, ensuring you can take it anywhere without hassle. The camera on the Mini 2 Southeast is impressive, featuring a 12MP sensor that captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. With a 3-axis motorized gimbal, your footage will remain stable and smooth regardless of the conditions. The drone also supports HDR for enhanced color and detail, making your photos and videos pop. This makes it an ideal companion for capturing those breathtaking travel moments. When it comes to usability, DJI has designed the Mini 2 Southeast with beginners in mind. The intuitive DJI Fly app offers easy-to-use controls and tutorials, helping you navigate the basics of flying and photography. The drone features multiple intelligent flight modes, including quick shots and drone, which enable you to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. Number 3. Our third contender is the Holystone HS360 SGPS drone, a versatile option for new drone pilots. Its sleek, modern design not only looks great, but also enhances aerodynamics, allowing for stable flights. Weighing about 250 grams, it's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel. The foldable arms mean it can fit snugly in your backpack, ready for your next adventure. The HS360S is equipped with a 1080p HD camera, offering decent image quality for beginners looking to capture their experiences. While it may not match the 4K capabilities of some competitors, it still produces vibrant photos and videos that are perfect for sharing on social media. The camera features a 90-degree adjustable angle, giving you flexibility in capturing different perspectives during your flights. In terms of usability, this drone shines with its user-friendly controls and features. The Holystone app provides a simple interface that allows you to manage flight modes, camera settings, and even access helpful tutorials. With features like GPS positioning, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff and landing, beginners will find flying the HS360S to be a breeze. The drone also boasts an impressive flight time of up to 28 minutes, allowing you to maximize your aerial explorations. Number 4. TizzyToy 4K FPV Drone, a standout choice for those looking for great features at an affordable price. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, fitting comfortably in any travel bag. Despite its compact size, the TizzyToy feels robust and is built to handle the rigors of outdoor use. This drone features a 4K camera that captures stunning visuals, ensuring that every moment of your travels is beautifully documented. The first-person view, FPV, capability allows you to see exactly what the drone sees in real time, providing a thrilling flying experience. With adjustable camera angles, you can easily capture breathtaking landscapes or group shots, giving you plenty of creative options. Usability is where the TizzyToy truly shines. It comes with an easy-to-navigate app that allows you to control the drone with ease. The app includes a variety of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, making it simple for beginners to experiment with different shooting styles. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone. A top-tier option for those looking to invest a bit more in their flying experience. Its ultra-lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, and the foldable arms allow for easy packing. The build quality is exceptional, with a premium feel that reflects its price point. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a 48MP camera that shoots 4K video at an impressive 60 frames per second. This means that your travel videos will not only look stunning, but also have a smooth, cinematic feel. The drone's advanced features, like obstacle avoidance sensors and improved low-light performance, make it easy to capture great shots even in challenging conditions. Usability is a significant focus for DJI, and the Mini 4 Pro continues this trend with an intuitive interface and a comprehensive app. The app provides access to intelligent modes such as Active Track, allowing you to easily follow subjects or capture dynamic shots. With a maximum flight time of 34 minutes, you can explore further and capture more without the constant worry of battery life. Number 6. Force One Skeet Drone, an ideal option for those looking for a fun, easy-to-fly drone. With its compact design, this drone is perfect for travel, fitting easily into your bag. The lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, and it's durable enough to withstand bumps and scrapes during your adventures. While the Skeet doesn't have a high-resolution camera like some of its competitors, it offers a unique flying experience with its straightforward controls. The drone is designed with beginners in mind, featuring one key takeoff and landing, as well as altitude hold, which simplifies the flying process. This makes it a fantastic choice for those just starting their drone journey. Usability is where the Skeet truly excels. The drone comes with an easy-to-use remote control that provides a range of up to 100 meters. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings while maintaining control. With a flight time of around 10 minutes, it's perfect for quick flights, allowing you to practice your skills without a lengthy commitment. Number 7. Techwonderz 1080p HD Drone, a great budget-friendly option for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, allowing you to take it on all your adventures. The simple yet sturdy construction ensures it can handle the occasional bump during your flights. The Techwonderz drone features a 1080p HD camera, which, while not 4K, still delivers decent image quality for capturing your experiences. The camera offers a fixed angle, which is sufficient for basic photography and videography. This makes it a great starting point for beginners who want to learn the ropes of aerial shooting without the pressure of high expectations. Usability is a key feature of the Techwonderz drone. It comes with a straightforward controller and an intuitive app that makes flying simple and enjoyable. Overall, this drone is a solid choice for beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of drone flying without a hefty investment. And there you have it, the 7 best travel drones for beginners. Each of these models offers unique features and benefits, making them great choices for those starting their aerial adventures. Whether you prioritize camera quality, ease of use, or portability, there's something for everyone on this list. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on the latest tech and gadgets. Happy flying!